Hello guys, dream, dare, live with Grumela. Can you guess the place where I am standing right now? No, this is not in Goa, this is not Juhu, this is not Girgaon, but this is in the heart of Mumbai. Let's see the 3 BHK sample apartment. This is the entrance lobby. ये आ जाता है हमारा किचन where we provide you 2 side parallel platforms and the spacious dry balcony. Let's see the living area. This is the dining space, the couch area, and my favorite space, the balcony. Can you see the size of balcony, guys? I am so impressed. Let's see the other part of the apartment, the common washroom. Let's see the common bedroom. This is your common bed area. This is the common bedroom with decent size. Let's see the master bedrooms. This is your master suite. The wardrobe space. This is your attached washroom, master washroom. Let's see the second master bedroom. The huge size of master bedroom where you get the full length window, the wardrobe space, the bed area. This is the attached master washroom. Hello guys, dream, dare, live with Grumela. We are at BKC. Today we are going to talk about Dosti Realty. Dosti Realty has come up with one of the exclusive project in Thane location. This project is known as Dosti One Mumbai, Mumbai's number one choice. Guys, we have also made 1 and 2 BHK sample flat. Let's see how we have made 1 BHK apartment. Right now, the apartment which we are entering is a 1 BHK of 385 carpet area. This is the dining area. This is the living area. This is the most premium project. Why? Because we have given a decent size of deck area. Here you can place 1 chair, 1 table, and you can enjoy your evening coffee. Now let's see the bedroom, kitchen and the rest of the apartment. This is the powder washroom. This kitchen area is very well designed. We have given the refrigerator area, your L-shaped platform. You also get the washing machine space. Now let's see the bedroom area. This is our master bedroom where you get the attached washroom. This is your wardrobe space. And this is the bed area. The very good point about this project is, guys, we have given the full length window. As you can see, you will never face the problem of ventilation and sunlight. You will be getting good healthy amount of sunlight as well as there will be a good wind flow. sitting in a 2 BHK apartment where you can see this flat is very well smartly constructed, because this flat is in butterfly layout. Butterfly layout means this is the living area. In between the living area, the other hand would be the master bedroom, and then the left side is your kitchen and bedroom area. Because of this layout, the passage area gets reduced and we can utilize the maximum space in the room sizes. This is the reason why we are able to construct this 2 BHK, and we are able to give a very good space where you can get a proper master bedroom and the common bedroom, the kitchen area and the powder washroom. Hello, Mr. Rohan. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good, sir. So we have covered almost the experience center. I wanted to ask you a few questions about this project. Tell me one thing, why one should consider Dosti as their number one choice.
So there are a lot of answers to this question. I cannot give you one specific reason. I think the most important thing that you can see is the brand name that Dosti has over the last 40 years, the legacy that it carries with the brand name.
Correct.
Secondly, you see the sales experience that we have created. So someone who's coming from South Bombay can actually take a look and feel of the whole project.
Correct.
That's placed in Thane. And the most important thing is the payment plan, where the client only pays 10% of the all-inclusive value and nothing till possession.
Oh.
The EMI starts post-possession, and the 10% includes the stamp duty, GST, and the AV value as well. So it doesn't have to pay anything till the possession. I think that's a very important point.
So, Mr. Rohan, how was your first weekend, as we have pre-launched this project last weekend itself?
I think if you see number-wise, it was probably one of the biggest opening weekends that we have had for any project. We have had close to 8,000 footfalls, 4,000 families have come and experienced this sales experience that we have created in BKC. And we have picked up more than 1,200 odd applications. So it was fabulous, and even on weekdays, we are getting a lot of clients, a lot of applications. So please ask your clients to come and take a look at the sales experience that we have created over here. It's probably one of the best that I've seen over the years.
Definitely, definitely. As today is the weekdays, guys, still we can see there are multiple customers who are already on the negotiation table. For more details, connect us at Grumela. Meanwhile, like, comment, share and subscribe.